In this video, I am taking maths class for 8th English medium students from second chapter, linear equations in one variable. So, in our earlier class, discussed what is linear equations and how to solve the linear equations. So, but in this video, I am taking how to solve the word problems by using linear equations. Okay, so here is a problem on the board. The difference of two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller. So find the numbers. That is the problem. So these type of word problems are solved by using the linear equations. Okay, so what is the use of linear equations is clearly known in this problem. Okay, how to, by solving this problem you will be known. What is the question given, you have to understand clearly. The difference of two numbers is 8, and if 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be the 3 times the smaller. So in word problems, first of all you have to read the problem 2 or 3 times and understand thoroughly the problem. Then only you will be able to do or solve the problem. So understanding the problem is very important. Here let us take the bigger number. Let us a bigger number is equal to x. So this is variable. So if you don't know the value of any number, you assume it as x. Okay. So the bigger number is x. Then what will be the smaller number? What is the relationship the bigger number and smaller number? The difference is 8, it is given. If the difference is 8 means, for example, I am taking the bigger number 10. What will be the smaller number if their difference is 8? Yes, right, okay. 2, because the difference, if you subtract the both 10 and 2, you will get the 8. So it must be less, 8 less than the bigger number. So the bigger number is, for example, x, then the smaller number becomes x minus 8, because the difference is 8, it is given. So smaller becomes here, smaller number becomes x minus 8. Okay, by using these conditions you can write the required numbers, bigger number, smaller number. Okay. Okay, next condition is 2 is added to the bigger number. If 2 is added to the bigger number, add means here plus. So bigger number is here x. So 2 is added to bigger number, what will be? It becomes x plus 2. If 2 is added to the bigger number, then the result will be 3 times the smaller. The result is equal to 3 times means here multiply the smaller means here x minus 8. This is the equation you have to get. So getting this linear equation is very important in this problem, in any word problems. After getting the linear equation, the problem will become very easy. So to get the linear equation is the difficulty. If you overcome this difficult, the total problem will become easy. Now after the problem will be completed if you get this linear equation. Now let us simplify this equation. So left hand side x plus 2 next is right hand side you multiply this x minus 8 with 3, means 3 into x, this is 3x, 3 8 24. Okay. So next transposing is there. By transposing variables one side and the constants other side. Okay. So I am transposing here 3x minus x is equal to this is minus 24 becomes plus 24 plus 2. What happened here? X is transposed towards 3x, that becomes a minus. 24 is transposed towards 2, so this becomes plus. So 24 plus 2 and 3x minus x. So what is the result here? 3x minus x, you will get 2x. Okay, so 2x is equal to 24 plus 2, that is 26. Now by transposing two RHS, it becomes a division. Okay, you know that plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus by transposing, and into becomes division, division becomes into multiplication. So you know all these things in your earlier class. So now by dividing these numbers, you will get x value is 30. That means bigger number is 30. If the bigger number is 13, then what will be the smaller? The difference is minus 8. So if you remove 8, the smaller becomes, the smaller number is equal to 13 minus 8. That equals to 5. So the smaller is 5 and the bigger is 13. So these are the two numbers we required. So in this way you have to find the given numbers. So just you check the answer whether the conditions are followed by these numbers or not. Just checking. What is the checking here? The difference is 8. That is first checking. Difference is 8. It is clear. And if 2 is added to the bigger number, that becomes 15, and the result will be the 3 times the smaller. 3 times the smaller. What is the smaller? 5. So 3 times the smaller. 3 times the smaller number is equal to 15. Both are equal, you got or not? See. Okay. So hence it is checked or proved. This is just for checking your answer whether the answer is correct or not. Okay. So in this way you have to solve the word problems by taking as x. Okay. So shall take some more problems. The problem is here. Sum of the 3 consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Then what are the multiples of 7? What are the 3 numbers? That is the question. Okay. So let us take how to solve this problem. So here multiples of 7, in which form are they? For example, if the first number is x, what will be the multiple of 7? Next consecutive means here continuous. Continuous multiples of 7. If the first multiple is x, then what will be the second multiple? How much is difference? How much is excess to first multiple? So it is multiple of 7 means 7 is excess. Very good. Okay. So if the first multiple is x, the second multiple becomes x plus 7, and the third multiple becomes x plus 40. Right. So these are the 3 multiples of consecutive multiples of 7: x, x plus 7 and x plus 14. So sum of these 3 numbers is equal to 777. It is given in the problem. So sum means here addition, add. So x plus 7 plus x plus 14 is equal to 777. It is given in the problem. So this is the linear equation we shall get. If you add the left hand side, x, 3 x's are there. So 3x plus 7 plus 24, it becomes, 7 plus 14 becomes 21. Okay, so 3x plus 21 is equal to 777. Now next step, 21 is transposed to right side. So then it becomes 3x is equal to 777 minus 21. In the next step, the subtraction of this RHS becomes 777 minus 21 becomes 756. So that is equal to 3x. So x is equal to how much? 3 is transposed to right hand side. So it becomes a division. So 756 minus by 3. If you cut, then you will get 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja and 3 2 ja. So you will get 252. X value is 252. So that is first multiple of x in our problem. Okay, the first multiple of 7, that is 252. And consecutive more 2 multiples, what are they? 252 plus 7, you add 7 to 252. So you will get 259, that is second multiple. And again add 7, 259 plus 7, you will get 266. 259 plus 7, you will get 266. So these are the 3 consecutive multiples of 7 whose sum is 777. If you want to check the problem, you add these 3 multiples whether you get 777 or not. If it is 777, your answers are right. Otherwise, there may be a mistake. So, in this way, you have to solve the word problems by using linear equations in one variable. Okay? Thank you. So, let us take one more problem in our next video. Till then, keep